Have you ever thought about how you talk to computers? Yes, you can use code, but computers only understand binary code. So unless you are writing 1 and zeros, what actually happens when you send off your commands? So today let's find out and learn interpreters and compilers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, what is an interpreter? An interpreter uses CPU to translate each line of code or instructions individually as the program is running. Anytime you get an error, you have interpreter to thank since they are what read and notify you the faulty code. Let's see the types of interpreters. There are 4 types of interpreters: bytecode interpreters, threaded code interpreters, abstract syntax tree interpreters, and self-interpreters. Let's understand what it means. Bytecode interpreters. These are the interpreters which converted the code into bytecode and each instruction has a byte. A threaded code interpreter. Each instructions point to another instructions or a function to be executed. Abstract syntax tree interpreter. It converts source codes into and execute as abstract syntax tree. Self-interpreter. Programming interpreter writing in a language to interpreter itself. However, the host language can be different. Let's see the compiler. What is compiler? A compiler takes a code in high-level language like Python and translates it into a lower-level language such as machine object like 0 and 1s. These happens before the program even runs. Now see the types of compilers. There are 4 types of compilers. Cross compilers, bootstrap compiler, source to source or trans compiler. T compiler. Let's understand these compilers. Cross compilers produce executable machine code for a platform on which it is not running. Bootstrap compiler, in which written in a programming language that it will compile. Source to source or transcompiler converts source code of one programming language to another programming language. Decompiler convert the machine code into high level language. Let's know what are the differences. Compiled code runs off faster. Compilers can contain interpreters. Interpreters can run complete faster since they are run the code line by line versus as a whole. So thank you for watching my video. And if you like my videos and watch more videos like these, so like, subscribe, follow and share this video.